Hi you guys, it's Hailey, and today in this video I want to talk to you about bareMinerals' new original liquid mineral foundation, which is one of my new favorites. It's a really amazing product. It was actually inspired by the original loose mineral foundation. What I love about this product is it's clean, vegan, it won't clog your pores, cause breakouts, or crease and settle into any fine lines. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to apply this product. We're going to start off by shaking it up. Shake it to wake it is what I like to say. I'm gonna do 2 pumps on the top of my hand. Dot, 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 dots in the areas where I want to apply. Sweep it across my skin like this and press it in. You can see how nice that's blending and how nice that is going on my skin. Get into the forehead here, get into it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This guy right here, this is a really beautiful product and I think you guys should all check it out. Let me know what you think.